Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel 1-2 Steps. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add Grammarly extension in your Chrome. So it's very easy. First of all, you need to go to Chrome browser here. So I'm going to this browser and here you need to search for grammarly.com. So now this is the platform that comes in front of you when you open Grammarly app in your website. So here you can see in the blue button add to Chrome, it's free. Just click on this. So here it again says add to Chrome, Grammarly AI writing and grammar checker app. So it takes you to the extension. So just click on this add extension here. So just go to download here and it's now activated. Just click on next and continue, and you can just try it in Google Docs, Gmail or Outlook. So Grammarly extension is being added in your Chrome. You can just check it. So here it is. So you can take a quick tour or you can click on no thanks here. Again, go to the website and reload this. So you can also check from this icon here. Grammarly is in the extensions, or you can click on this to remove it from the Chrome. So in this way you can just add extension in Chrome. Thanks for watching the video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.